Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's see what is in cards today. Before we start the cards, I feel today the color has to be blue. I feel some communication is lacking, be it in personal life or professional life or something somewhere where you feel like talking up front or telling your view, you're not saying it, and that is somewhere hitting you. This is my feel when I was shuffling the cards and putting. So that's the reason I'm saying the color blue. Today, if possible, do some meditation. Maybe sit on your own alone, hear out some music which you like listening, or just put on some seven chakra meditation from the YouTube and just go with the flow and hear it. You can do it in the morning before your work, or you can do it even in the night, or if you're not working today, then you can do it at any point of any part of the day. But maybe do some chakra meditation today. Your mind is completely in chaos is what I feel. You want to say something and then you're not telling it out, but still, let's see what the cards are saying. So here, the Two of Wands, I feel you're in two minds. Should you go this way or should you go that way? Though you know both the ways you have to travel at one point of time, but you're still stuck. So I would say you have put your step forward now. You have decided that you have to go in this journey today. Maybe go in the journey and don't worry about the consequences, because this is the consequences. You will anyways enjoy the decision you've taken. You will feel happy that okay, whatever all said and done, I have taken the decision. Now this decision cannot be changed, so I just need to go with the flow, and you will also go with the flow. So I would just say that today, maybe today is the day where you need to just be firm. If you feel talking out is a solution, then talk out and get the solution. If you feel just being silent and moving forward, then be silent and move forward. Because when I see this card, I see as a card of enlightenment. I don't see as a card of backstabbing or getting hurt. I feel you are coming out. I feel these hands are trying to come out of whatever issues they have faced, and this coming out will actually bring in good clarity for you. So today, go by what your heart is saying, go by what you feel is right, go by your inner feel, and just take the right decision, because somewhere I'm sure the divine has kept something in mind, keeping today's day for you. And end of the day, whatever you do, you will feel happy and satisfied that you took the decision, and the decision turned out somewhere in your favor, giving you loads of clarity and loads of happiness. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.